This problem has a lot of words. Let's read it. An object speed is increasing at a rate of 8.4 meters per second squared. What is this rate in miles per hour squared rounded to the nearest integer? So all we have to do is convert the units from meters per second squared to miles per hour squared. And we are given 1 mile is 1609 meters. And I'm going to use the calculator. So I need to convert 8.4 meters. So let me write down per second square. So let's go ahead and write it like that. And now 1 meter, well, 1 mile is pretty big, 1609 meters. So I can write meter as 1 over 1609 miles. And then a second, an hour. What is the conversion between hour and second? They did not give us, but we can figure out. 1 hour has 60 minutes and each minute has 60 seconds. So that is common knowledge. So I have to multiply 60 times 60 and I get 3600 seconds. So if 1 hour is 3600 seconds, notice what is 1 second going to be? That's going to be 1 over 3600 hour. But don't forget to square that. So now it looks like a complicated mess, but if I have a calculator, it's not going to be that bad. So let's go ahead and write this as 8.4 over 1609. And then I have to divide by 1 over 3600 square. So let's go ahead and write this as 1 over 3600 square to begin with. 1 square is just 1. And how do you divide one fraction by another? You simply copy the first numerator fraction, which is 8.4 over 1609, and then you flip the denominator fraction. So this is going to be 3600 square. Now all I'm going to do is put this in a calculator. And here I have a calculator. So what I need to do is plug 8.4 divided by 1609. And then I have to multiply this by, now if you are worried that the 1609 might be multiplied, then in this calculator you have a feature. If you go to alpha F1 and if you choose this N over D feature, then you can type the way you write the problem. So it's 8.4 divided by 1609 and come out of that fraction times 3600 square. Square key is right there. And all we have to do is round to the nearest integer. That's what it says, which means I will take 67659. And since the decimal starts with 0.4, I'm going to drop that. So this is our answer. These many miles per hour square.